Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to export Amazon reviews into your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account if you're not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here with the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started exporting Amazon reviews into WooCommerce. Basically guys, what we want to do is go right here. As you can see in the dashboard, we can find the WooCommerce section that's going to enable us to start a new store if you do not already have one. If you already have your store, you can manage it from here on all the info and products that you have. But what we are looking for today guys is the plugins section. You want to find the plugins option right here. That's going to open up this plugins marketplace right here. You can find all the plugins you have, and you have a search bar at the top of the screen that's going to enable you to search for any plugin you need. So what you want to use this search bar for guys is to search for reviews. After searching for reviews, this is going to go ahead and give you a result of all the plugins related to reviews. As you can see, we have multiple ones that are going to enable us to add site reviews to our WooCommerce store. So basically guys, what you need to do is go ahead and download the Amazon reviews from Amazon using a CSV file. You can export it from Amazon directly, and then using any of the options right here such as the site reviews plugin, this is going to enable you to go ahead and upload those reviews into your WooCommerce store. So by uploading them, you will be able to manage this plugin. So click the install button that's going to appear right here to install it to your store, and after successfully installing it to your store using the WooCommerce section I have just showed you, here you'll be able to find the plugin and use it for importing your Amazon reviews file. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.